Colin Farrell, Linkin Park, Rihanna, Lady Gaga, Matthew McConaughey. Who's the other guy? I don't know who that is. Who is it? Oh, it's Mike Shinoda. But where's Tomo and Shannon and me? Oh, they're like they brought big heads to have a party. Oh, that's funny. I like that. I love you guys. Thanks so much for coming here tonight.
Yay!
And Ricardo, can you make sure I have a meeting with all the camera guys after this? And they should be filming and recording right now as well. So camera, filming and recording right now as well.
Okay.
I want to see what you guys are doing.
Такого все поправил, короче,
Yep. And is this your light